In this video, I'm going to be reviewing 3 travel products: the Matein Travel Laptop Backpack, the INIU Portable Charger, and the Amazon Basics 4-piece packing cubes. So whether you're looking for a gift for that someone who likes to travel, or maybe you want to get one of these products for yourself, this video will help you decide if either of these products is worth getting. So let's get to it. Dream vacations start here. The first product I'm going to review is the Matein Travel Laptop Backpack. Coming in at just under $50 at the time of shooting this video, this backpack was definitely designed with the traveler in mind. The backpack I got fits a 15.6 inch and smaller laptop, but they also have a larger backpack that would fit a 17-inch laptop as well. I have the blue one here, but they do come in a number of different colors that you can choose from, including camouflage. The backpack itself is water resistant, and the material that it's made out of is good quality, so it should last you a long time even if you're using it every day. There are lots of packing compartments to help you stay organized, including pen pockets and a key fob hook, which I like because I don't know about you, but every time I come home from a trip, I'm always digging through my bag trying to find my keys, so this key fob hook would definitely be useful for me. There's a luggage strap on the back side of the backpack that allows you to fit it on your carry-on or a regular luggage bag. There's also a hidden anti-theft pocket in the back to protect your valuable items from potential thieves. As far as comfort goes, I found this backpack to be very comfortable. It does have padding on the inside straps and on the back of the backpack itself. Right behind the padding is where your laptop would go, so even with the hard surface right up against your back, I didn't feel much of the laptop, and I believe the padding made a huge difference. When I first got the backpack, I was a little bit concerned about the size of it. Just by looking at it, I wasn't sure I could fit all my things into it. But once I began packing my things into it, I was actually impressed by what I could actually pack into the backpack. All the different compartments it comes with makes it easy to organize, and I believe it's one of the main reasons I can fit so many things into the backpack. Another great feature about this backpack is that it also includes a built-in USB charging port along with a charging cable. So if you've ever been to the airport and can't find a place to charge your phone because everyone is plugged in, then this definitely helps solve that problem. Now, it does not include a portable charger, which brings me to my next review, is the INIU, I believe that's how it's pronounced, the INIU Portable Power Bank Charger. Priced at $20 and with a 3-year warranty, this portable charger can charge just about any phone, tablet, as well as your smaller devices like AirPods, Bluetooth headphones, fitness trackers, and smartwatches. It has 2 USB ports and 1 USB-C port. It acts as an input-output to not only let you refuel your charger fast, but also your electronic devices as well. So you could charge up to 3 devices at a time. I found that this charger charged just as quickly as if I plugged into my devices into the wall outlet. And just to give you an idea of how much charging power you have out of this, I use Apple products and I was able to charge my iPhone and my iPad Pro with one single charge. Now, some of the other INIU models have a digital readout of how much power you have left in the power bank, but this one just has a paw print. When the power bank is fully charged, the paw print will be fully illuminated, and as the power gets used to charge your devices, each toe of the paw print will disappear, letting you know how much power is left. I found this to be one downside of using this charger is not knowing exactly how much power you have left. When it comes to recharging the power bank, the fastest way to recharge it is with a 5V 2A adapter. With that adapter, you can recharge the power bank in about 5 to 6 hours. If you have the iPad Pro adapter, this would be a 5V 2A adapter. If you're just using the iPhone adapter, it would fully charge in about 8 to 10 hours. So because it takes a long time to fully charge the power bank, just remember to recharge it before you leave for a trip. Otherwise, it's not going to be very valuable to you. And if you're not a patient person, this might be a deal breaker for you, and you might want to consider a higher end model. The charger does also have an LED light on it, and mine also came with a reading light, which I found was a nice addition. After reading some of the reviews for this product, I found that a number of people complained about getting one that stopped working after a short while. While I had no issues with mine, it does come with a 3-year warranty, so if you do happen to get a defective unit, just contact INIU and they'll replace it for you. Their customer service, from what I read, is very good. This charger is airline safe, but it does need to be packed in your carry-on only. Since it contains lithium batteries, per TSA rules, it cannot be packed in your checked bag. At under $25, the last product I'm reviewing is the Amazon Basics Packing Cubes. If you have never used packing cubes before, this will really help to keep your bag organized. For example, if you ever needed to pack shoes in your bag, you could place your shoes in one of these packing cubes to help keep them separate from your clothes. And if you ever wonder, like I have, what to do with your dirty clothes, this will help solve that problem by allowing you to separate your clean clothes from your dirty clothes. Each packing cube has a double zipper, making it easy to close and open the cubes. It does also have a top mesh opening, allowing you to easily identify the clothes that are in each cube. The mesh is soft enough that it will not damage any delicate clothing, and each cube does have a sturdy handle attached to them, so you have the option of conveniently carrying them by themselves. If you're going to be packing a larger suitcase, you might want to consider getting 2 sets of these. Otherwise, for a carry-on, 1 set is all you'll need. They do unzip almost all the way around, making it easy to fit what you need into them, and they do come in other colors other than black. I found these to be of good quality, and you can wash these in the wash if needed on the gentle cycle. I didn't notice any plastic smell on my clothes after I used these, and they do fit inside one another for easy storage. So I definitely recommend these packing cubes if you're looking for some organization in your packing. Overall, I think all three products are worth getting. However, for the INIU portable charger, if you can afford an upgrade just so you can get a digital readout of how much power is left as well as a faster recharge time, I think that would be worth getting. However, if you wanted to stick with this model, I think for $20, I think it's still a good pickup. As far as the other products are concerned, I've been very happy with them. I've had no issues, and they've been a great addition to my travel gear. If you're interested in picking up any of these products, I'll post those links in the show notes below, so be sure to check those out. And if you have any questions about any of the products I reviewed today, feel free to ask those in the comment section of this video. Well, that will do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in a future video.